Link just liquidated all the shorts right here that were sitting for a while, and it's moving towards the 24.33 area where they're 1.8 worth $1.8 million worth of liquidations. Let's just mark it out on the chart, and then I'll show you what happened with the last trades, how we actually played them out, and so on and so forth. So first of all, the last trades we had were we took a long from here to the VWAP. We also marked this level, so we took another long. We mainly have been doing longs as well, right? Another long right here. And we have been looking out for as many longs as possible. But right now, I'm a little bit worried because we are a little overextended. Even though money flows still curving up, the momentum still curving up, as you can see right here. We do have longs with very big area to play around with in terms of opening new longs. 100 would be a lot, but 43 is definitely not. We do have some shorts that just started opening that we can get trapped by continuing the long. And also Bitcoin has been very bullish. It's bullish right now. It's oversold. So shorting right here can be very dangerous because you can get squeezed very hard. We've seen that with IP and other trades that we barely got out of in profit. We managed to get out of IP in profit, but that was very hard. And I don't want to have that happening again. So here's my plan before that. Hit like button really helps out. 260 grand profit on BOEX, 30 grand on a new wallet that we're building right here. So if you want to follow every single trade I have, use the link in the description below to sign up to my Signals chat. We just took profit on Zero Bro 20 minutes ago. Before that on IOT. We also took profit on HBAR and on the meme coin IT. Meme coin trades are exclusively for the Signals chat. You won't see them on YouTube, so definitely use the link in the description down below to sign up. Also in the description down below, I'll have a link to my course. It's currently priced at $117. I try to make it super accessible. I know people charge like $700 for a course. I made mine super cheap. In it, you'll find how I find token cycles, or my favorite patterns to trade, how I follow whales' footsteps, how I identify my environment, and more. And also, I'm switching to BloFin. It is a no KYC exchange. I used to use Mexi, but for security reason, I will not. There's horror stories about it. So yeah, use the links in the description below. Plus, in the description, I'll find something special for you. I'll leave something special for you from BloFin. That you can check out on top of the things that I mentioned. So what we were looking to do right here is hopefully have a nice pump to the 24.3 area. At any point we can buy dips, and one of the dips we are looking for is still the 22.76 area, which is right here. So we'll just extend it. It's not an easy area to get to, but buying the dip there would be very lucrative because there's a lot of weak lows from people that have their stop losses at any of these areas that we can get and dive into. Personally, I don't really have a stop loss. I'm using low leverage and I can move in silence without being worried about market makers. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me know your thoughts about Link, and I'll have a new video on Link tomorrow if this video gets, I don't know, 10 likes. See you next video.